Hey there, I'm Brooke.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stick around.
Beachy Beach.
Today we have a cute renovated little condo over at
Horizon South.
I like to call it like a fan favorite because
Yes.
it's been a complex that's been around for a while that a lot of people love. There's full-time residences there. There are long-term rentals. There are vacation rentals. Like anything is possible.
Yes.
What do you love about this unit?
You know what? This one is perfectly pristine. They've upgraded it, but it's not over full and there's not too much clutter in the space. So it allows you to kind of live in the space and get out here to the beach because you've got that private access. That's what we love about Horizon South.
Right, no carpet.
Yes.
Okay, they thought about being near the beach. You've got pools, you've got shuffleboard, you've got tennis courts.
Yep.
You've got everything you need in that little community. And again, you're on the west end of Panama City Beach, under 300,000.
Yep.
So great starter opportunity if you're trying to get into the Panama City Beach real estate market.
You know what else is so great about this one? I like their attention to detail. They've got a barn door that covers up the laundry because there is an in-unit laundry.
Okay.
You've got an updated kitchen. It's small, but what are you here for? You're not here to sit in the kitchen the whole time, right? So you can just go out, enjoy your family, and have that space in the kitchen that's upgraded. You've got the new appliances, you've got the countertops, and that's really nice.
Yes, Horizon South does well in vacation rentals
Very
as well.
well.
So if you wanted to use that as a rental, you would have that opportunity as well. You guys, if you are looking for a cute little condo and you're under that $300,000 price point, we would absolutely love to show it to you. Give us a call.
So for more information, look in the description below. We've got the MLS listing link. You can get the details there and just let us know if you'd like to see it.
Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel,
That's right.
thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals. Ring that bell.